Hi, Mr. Marshall. I've opened my business again,
Mhm.
but some of my workers are not following my new health guidelines like hand washing and wearing masks. I don't want to get into a big argument with them. What should I do?
You need to set the rules, take action. You set the rules need to be enforced. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you're in the office and you have a worker that comes to you and she's complaining about a coworker. She visited this worker in his office. He didn't have a mask. She didn't say anything at the time, but she reported it to you. In that case, you need to follow the procedures that you set out in your health guidelines. Write it down, record what's being said, get two sides of the story, draw some conclusions, and follow up with both the person who made the complaint to assure her that you've taken her complaint seriously and the person who didn't wear the mask. So they know that they violated the rules and you don't expect them to do that in the future anymore.
But many of these workers are good, really good employees, and they've never caused me trouble before. Can't I just ignore the complaint?
No, you need to enforce the rules. But also consider the big picture. Let me give you another example. Let's say that a cop pulls somebody over. They've been driving 102 kilometers on the highway 404 where the speed limit is 100 kilometers. And they check their record. They have no previous speeding tickets whatsoever. The cop has to make a decision at that point. Is he going to charge a motorist that's driving 2 kilometers over the speed limit that's got no record of speeding tickets before, or is he going to let it go? The same thing for you in the workplace as well. Like for example, let's say you have health guidelines that apply to gloves. You require your workers to wear gloves, but one of them is not wearing a glove. I urge you to speak to that worker, find out their situation. Maybe they're allergic to latex gloves, which you provide to each of the employees. You might want to suggest that you'll buy them nitrile gloves so that they can wear them safely. That might be satisfactory to that worker. Or even about masks, to cite your example. Maybe you can ask your worker why he or she is not wearing a mask. Maybe it's uncomfortable. Maybe they have breathing problems. Perhaps a better brand of mask they'll be comfortable wearing. So order that brand, satisfy them. At the same time, you ensure that the worker is in fact following your health guideline regarding gloves and mask and such.
But what if he refuses to wear the mask because he says the mask is a violation of his rights? What should I say then?
Well, you need to hear him out, but don't get into a debate. Explain, if necessary, where you are coming from. You tell this worker that no, there's been no violation of his legal rights. But yes, it's uncomfortable for him, just like it is for everybody, including you as the employer who are leading by example and wearing the mask. Tell this worker, look, you have a duty as the employer to protect the workers while they are on the premises, while they're in your workplace, from the risk of infection. If someone gets sick while they're at your workplace, you're going to be responsible as the employer. You might want to even appeal to their empathy. Tell them that masks protect other people. The bottom line is you set the rules, but apply the rules in a way that protects everybody, including you as the employer.
What can I do about the staff who are so dedicated to keep working, but they seem to have symptoms of the virus?
That's another great question. Tell you what, I'm going to answer that question in greater detail. Right now, I've got to get back to work, and I'm sure you do as well. Oh, you're still here. You must really like us. Well, we like you too. That's why if you have any specific legal questions about your business during the pandemic, or if you have any legal questions in general, then please send us an email, give us a call, and we'll be happy to answer your questions, give you clarity, and help you in any way we can.